one, action.
All right, virtual field day, event announcements. Ready? Virtual field day, baby. All right, Overlook, virtual field day 2020. Today's event number 10 is called wind blowing. So for this event, you're gonna need basically two items. You're gonna need a balloon or a paper plate. All right, preferably a balloon, but if you don't have a balloon, you can use a paper plate for this. Then you're gonna need 10 plastic cups. So 10 plastic cups that are like solo type cups, and you're gonna set them about an inch from the edge of your table in one continuous row down. Then you're gonna need a 1-minute timer. On that 1-minute timer, on the count of 3, 2, 1, go, you're gonna take that balloon, fill it up with air. And then you're gonna use the air in the balloon to try to knock the plastic cups off of the table. Again, if you don't have a balloon, you can use a paper plate, and you're gonna fan that paper plate, all right, and use the air to move the paper plates, or move the plastic cups off of the edge of the table. So you have a 1-minute timer to knock as many of those cups off of the table as you can. You're gonna have 10 set up, and you're gonna try and knock them all down. If you can knock all 10 down in less than a minute, please record how fast you did it for our tie break. All right, and then you're gonna record that score on our official field day scorecard, which you're gonna turn in for a certificate. If you have questions, please reach out and feel free, or look at the official virtual field day rules. Today we have a special guest. Mrs. Thomas is going to be demonstrating this for you today. Thanks.